Neil McAvoy, Assembly Member, South Wales Central. Been going around the doors today with Rachel. There's a issue with, surprise, surprise, housing. Rachel, what's going on?
Well, we've been on the list for a long time now. We're in a one-bedroom. We've got 3 children now between me and my partner. Because he doesn't have the other 2, full-time. He's only 50-50. They're not taken into consideration.
Right.
While the baby's, little, he's supposed to be in with us anyway, so they won't take into it. We're not a priority, basically.
I'm walking around Ely now. I'm seeing empty property after empty property. You must do the same.
Yeah, I've seen loads, walking around with a baby in a pram thinking, well, I could, live there,
How does it make you feel?
It's disgusting. There's so many people who need, a bigger space. I know of a few families who are in, 1 bedroom with, multiple children, or 2 bedroom, and they've got, boys and girls having to share.
Yeah.
And these houses, they would help a lot of families.
Yeah. There's 2 issues there. There's the council neglecting people like Rachel, not getting these houses back into operation. 1,300 in this city right now. And secondly, there's the issue of parents who don't have full-time care of their children. The children are not taken into account, and that is absolutely sexist, because it generally affects dads more than mothers, and it's completely wrong. We're going to try and do something with this case. We're going to try and help Rachel, but the bottom line is, until Cardiff get those houses back into life, back into operation, then it's a very, very difficult situation for very many people. Diolch yn fawr.